Ayan mga kaibigan, luto tayo. Ayan, nakahanda na yung ating lalagyan, oh. Magkasya ba kaya ito dito? Hello sa inyong lahat. Nagluto po tayo mga kaibigan ng ating dadalhin sa party, oh. Ayan. Ulam. Ay, tama. Yes. Kasyang-kasya siya. Mainit pa to. So, ilagay natin ito sa... mainit pa. Tamang-tama. Oops. Ayan, oh. Tapos, kukunin natin yung... Yun, isiparate natin kaya mainit siya. At mayroon pa tayo ditong ilalagay sa bag na to na malaki. Hello sa inyong lahat. Kunin muna natin. Oops. Ito siya pang cold na. Ayan, tamang-tama siya mga kaibigan, oh. Caesar salad. And then, itong isa, ilagay natin. Ipaibabaw na lang natin ang shrimp. Shrimp cocktail. Dala kami ng malaking dessert. Malaking dessert. Ayan, ang ganda ng ano niya, sulat dito. So, yan ang ating ilagay dito sa bag. Oh, tamang-tama siya mga kaibigan. Ay, kabigat. Ayan. Ano na, naka-impaki na. Babe, you may get ready them in the car. Okay. Okay. Kunin lang natin yung ulam. Maganda ang panahon dito. Ayan, parang mainit dito banda. So, dyan natin ilagay yung ulam mga kaibigan. Ayusin ko lang yung aircon ng mga bata. Kasi minsan pinipindot ni CG. Okay na. Kunin natin yung ulam. Ilagay lang natin dito sa cooler na to para keep warm. Christiana, CJ, go in the bathroom, please. We're ready to go. Go pee-pee, Patty. CJ! Mainit. Go, sige na, punta. No, magkasya ba to dito? Parang hindi magkasya dito, mga kaibigan. Ay, wala akong lalagyan. Wala tayong mapaglagyan ba? Wag nang ilagay siguro. Wala akong mapaglag. Get ready, guy! Alina, let's go in the car. No more time. No more time. Dito ko na lang ilalagay yung pang-ulam. Ay. Ayan, hello sa inyo lahat. Nagre-ready tayo ng ating baon sa party. May ulam na. May dessert na. Iayusin na natin. Okay na yan dyan. At least yung cold natin. Okay yan siya. Ay, kukuha pala ako ng ice mga kaibigan. Kukuha ako ng ice para mag-keep cold yung ating dala. Ayan yung ice eh. Ayan, andito lang pala yung ice natin. Okay. Okay, CJ. Okay. Yes. Gandang weather. Para hindi matunaw hindi matunaw yung ating dalang
So far away. We need
Can you hold this for me?
Why we
Hold
need
this.
ice packs?
We need hold that for me quick.
Because we're gonna stay
Because
there.
ang tawag dito yung ating cake, matunaw. Matunaw ang cake natin, guy. We don't want that to happen. Right, guy?
Yeah. Okay.
Go si Jinda sa pasok na dyan. Pasok. Okay. Ready na yan. Ayan na. Wala nang kulang. CJ, go sit down, please. Sit down. Si Dada ang mag-drive.
Is it here?
Oh, you can't. Nope. Not allowed. Baby does not allowed there. Sit down. Sit. Sige na, alin na. Kunan ko pa yung ni Don Julio. Kunan natin siya ng extra shirt.
Where's that, Mom?
Don't touch that place. You don't touch that. Kaya baka wala kayong AC dito. Sige na, up na. Stand up na. Dalawa. You bring your two trucks.
Yep.
Nice. You're gonna have fun with your two truck.
Hello.
Wait lang.
I love
Busy ang nanay. Krishana! Sige, sit properly.
ABCD.
ABCD.
Yeah, ABCD.
Sit properly. ABCD. Okay. I'll be back. I'll get your shirt. Goy, please sit down there, Goy. Sit down. Kunin ko yung nyo, blouse. Asanas ka, no? Make sure yung stove na turn off natin. At saka yung door. To make sure lock kay. Extra CJ shirt. Nag-CR day si Chris kay. Yes, sir! Kuha ko ng extra, Alexa. Off. Kuha muna tayo ng extra, ni Don Julio, mga kaibigan. Okay. The car is on. I have it. Kunan ko muna ng mga extra clothes. Ang dalawa. Kasi hindi natin alam kung dumi-dumi sila. Okay, so ganun lang mga kaibigan. Okay. Yes. Okay, hold on. Gotta see what girls think. Open the door.
Here's the key.
Why do we need extra clothes?
Babe, what do you think on this one? Which one I have to?
What?
Which one on these two?
I think the black.
And a cube. Daddy, my cube.
Shoes? Here.
No.
Shoes, nandyan. Init. Init na dito. Sunny. Anong shoes? Ay, nilaglag mo pala yung shoes doon. Ay, ay, ay. Ayaw ilaglag doon. Kay layas na ta.
I need a marker.
You need a marker? Go in the house and get your marker while it's still open.
Dad, I need a marker.
Go inside the house. Get your marker. Si Agoy, Agoy. Okay. Okay, kunin mo yung marker mo.
Whole bag of markers.
Okay, bring your whole bag. You can color in there. Hello sa inyo. Layas na muna kami. Layas muna natin ang ating mga chikiting habang walang pasok kasi gusto nila ng adventure. Okay, bring that one. Iwan muna natin yung trabaho sa bahay. You got everything, Nat? Are you sure?
Yeah.
You wanna check?
These are all my markers.
Okay. I just want to make sure.
Now you can close it. Close it, Dada. I got my bag.
Okay. You got it? Seat belt?
Dad's over here. Patient. This is
Oh,
Dad.
CG said construction dad.
About right here.
Okay.
Over here. Up here. Dad, this way.
Yeah, put the navigation. Nice weather. Ayan, mga kaibigan. Layas na ang mga...
I know how to not hold my bag.
Oh, wow.
I look at my monster truck.
You bring your monster truck, CJ. Very good. Good job, CJ. You take care of yourself.
He wiped his own butt.
You did?
No.
Oh, what did you say?
Turn left.
Ayan.
North Military Trail.
Yung mga kaibigan ng kalsada. Oh, dagat doon.
Turn left.
Oh, river pala. Tulog lang yan si CJ.
Put your hand up on the hand across.
Stop, Mom.
Huh?
Mom.
Okay. Traffic
Ano?
traffic. Oh, ingat mga kaibigan. Kita na lang ulit tayo mamaya. Ha. Kita lang ulit hawak tayo dito kay ang driver natin. Ang driver natin parang
What?
no, I said held on because
After 300 feet,
we're turning.
Right. PGA Boulevard.
Parang ano.
Turn right.
Dan!
Turn left.
Hello! Okay, yellow pa naman si CJ. Yellow na yellow. Sige mga kaibigan. Halaka, I forgot the wine. Can we come back? I want the red one. No? Ay, ay, ay.
I gotta go up there and turn around.
We can't. Stop.
Why would you forget something?
The one they have is very strong.
You're not driving.
So I bring a puppet.
Good.
Side of play. And I bring my smelly chocolate. I bring my other animals, but they're called smellies.
Smellies.
Yeah, they're called smellies because I put it
I
in
Smelly
think she's
jellies?
ate
the
is
smelly
busy.
chocolate rainbows because they're so smelly. I put it in there so
No, we can go back. I just gotta go up there and do a U-turn. I can't. This is full. The line. There's a lot of traffic. It's Easter.
Okay. They're lined up?
I go to our Publix and do a U-turn.
You can still full?
Yeah, there's cars.
Busy ang parking ngayon.
See?
No, still.
Yeah, well, now
We
it's
got a
good.
U-turn, babe, because the one they gave me last time, that it's kind of strong for me.
Well, you can drink water.
After half a mile, turn
O sige mga kaibigan, may naiwan kami sa bahay.
towards Daytona Beach.
Ingat po.
Tona.
We're going to see Uncle Richard.
Tona Beach? You're kidding me.
No.
Daytona Beach.
You never been there?
Yeah.
You never been there? Come on. Maybe next time when they come here, we're gonna go there.
Yeah.
Next time.
We're supposed to go to Daytona.
300 feet.
Next
Turn
time.
left. PGA Boulevard.
Okay, bye-bye muna. Thank you.